Welcome to Altoona. This is the famous Juniata Works. In this training module, we'll learn about operating the Norfolk Southern General Electric ES44AC. The General Electric ES44AC 12-cylinder form generates 4,400 horsepower, is simply put the dominant North American diesel locomotive of recent decades. Almost all trains on the Horseshoe Curve route use lash-ups of multiple locomotives on the head end. We must set up the diesels accordingly as lead and trailing units. Let's start by climbing aboard the trailing unit. Any trailing locomotive must have its control stand disabled so that it can receive commands from the lead unit. The unit must also have their brakes set to cut out and trail. This is our lead locomotive. In other words, the unit we'll be operating from. We must thus switch on its controls. Our locomotive controls are now active. Next, we need to set the brakes for lead and cut-in, which we can do on any one of the two screens located on the control desks. Our two units are now ready to operate. Insert the reverser, set it to forward, release the brakes, and apply some throttle. Then proceed to the destination marker and stop there. The path to your destination has been set for you in this scenario. Please be aware that there are numerous manual switches on the Horseshoe Curve route, particularly in the yards and on the South Fork branch, and the engine crew must always ensure the switches ahead are aligned properly for their movements.